Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gawin itong two-tone na bracelet or pwede rin maging headband for your doll. This is by the way a 60cm doll with a crochet dress. So I hope you watch and stay until the end of this video. Okay, so first we're going to make a slip knot and then mag-chain tayo ng 5. After chaining 5, mag-work tayo ng double treble crochet into the very first chain na ginawa natin. And then, we're going to pull through one loop only. And then, yarn over and pull through 2 loops at a time na. 4 more times. So, after nating matapos yung circle, uulitin lang natin siya hanggang dun sa length na gusto natin. So, ulitin ko, mag-chain 5 ulit tayo and then mag-double treble crochet tayo. This time naman, ipapasok natin doon sa dalawang loop sa ilalim ng first chain na ginawa natin. And then, yarn over, pull through that loop. Tapos, yarn over, pull through just one, and then, pull through 2 loops at a time na for 4 times. Then, after that, uulitin lang natin hanggang sa makarating tayo sa length na gusto natin. So, once makarating tayo dun sa haba na gusto natin, ngayon, mag-work na tayo ng single crochet stitches dun sa half muna ng circle na to. Now, on this side, we're gonna work 10 single crochets. And also, into each chain space, we will place 10 single crochet stitches. Uulitin lang natin yan hanggang sa makaabot tayo sa pinakadulo. Once na matapos natin, mag-work naman tayo sa kabila. And dun sa other side naman, 10 single crochet stitches pa rin. So, bali itong pinaka-first na circle na matatapos natin or makakompleta natin, dapat meron siyang 20 single crochets in total. And then, dun sa next chain space naman, kukompletuhin natin yung second circle, kaya mag-work tayo ng 10 single crochets. So, bali, for each of the next chain spaces, we will work 10 single crochets into each. Once na matapos natin, mag-work lang tayo ng slip stitch into the first chain that we have made. Tapos, kung gusto nyo lagyan ng pinaka-strap, mag-work tayo ng chains. Ako, siguro ang gagawin ko is mag-chain 20 ako. And then, yung strap na to is very simple lang. After chaining 20, I'm gonna work a slip stitch on the second chain from the hook. So, I'll be working slip stitches until I get to the last chain. Once I get to the last chain, I'm going to cut off the yarn and then I'm going to weave in the ends. After we finish this, we will make one more. So we should have 2 pieces. Once matapos na yung 2 pieces, so ganito lang gagawin natin. Ilulusot natin yung pink and then kukunin natin yung red. So, alternately, ganun ang gagawin natin para magmukha siyang braided na style. So, itong idea na to, pwede mong gawin as a headband. Kaya lang, syempre, kung gagawa ka ng headband, kailangan mas maraming loops ang gagawin mo. Ako kasi 5 loops lang yan. So, pwede siya as bracelet. And also, pwede rin siya as a headband. So, kung sa headband, siguro, more than 5 loops ang need nyong gawin. Or siguro, mga 20 loops, ganon. Nilagyan ko siya ng spacer para maging bracelet siya. And also, pwede ko rin siyang ilagay dun sa doll. Bagay na bagay siya kasi maliit lang naman ang head ng 60 cm na doll. Kaya, kumasya naman sa kanya, which is nice. So, ayan. I hope nagustuhan niyo itong video na to. If you like my video, do not forget to hit like and subscribe for more crochet tutorials. Have a good day!